What systems or processes are you struggling with in your business right now? Are you trying to streamline your business systems to save time and money? Would you like to use fewer systems more effectively? You are not alone. Most business owners are focusing on getting the most features for the least expense. Fewer logins, more efficiency. Less is more. Therefore, I want to show you all that can be done in the Google Workspace that you're already paying for. Hello, I'm Amy Novick, a professional organizer, Google certified trainer, and productivity specialist. I empower business owners with Google solutions. I will be teaching a live class focusing on the business systems and workflows that you want to streamline. During that class, we will learn about the systems that you want to streamline and how specific Google apps can be set up to help you with those things. We will also take time to identify your goals, prioritize them, and make a plan to implement them within Google Workspace. After the live class, you will have the option to join a small group of business owners who are also working on streamlining their business using Google Workspace. We will meet weekly to encourage, support, and help each other implement the plans you have created for your business. Some business systems and workflows that we can focus on include staying personally organized in Google, setting up Google Workspace for your team, your online business presence, lead capture and workflow, email marketing and automations, client contracts and forms, client project workflow, team communication, team training, using Google as a CRM, integrating other business systems with Google, and anything else you can think of. If you are interested in this live class, please complete the short Google form linked in the description below so I know what systems or workflows you would want to focus on. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more details about this upcoming live class. I look forward to helping you succeed in your business and in your Google Workspace.